Hey guys, welcome to Caking It Up with Sweet Lou's. So today I'm going to show you how I made a wood grain cake board. So what I'm doing here is I sprinkled some cornstarch down and I took my fondant and rolled it out. So you want to roll it out to the size of your cake board. As you can see, I keep taking my cake board, measuring to see if it matches the size of the cake board. So then I put it on top, and to seal the fondant onto the cake board, I just sprinkle a little water on there. And here I am cutting off the sides. And then next you will see me with a ruler, so I'm measuring the spaces 2 inches in between to get the effect of a wood grain floor. Once I do that, I put lines going across unevenly, so again it looks like a wood grain floor. And then I take my tool and I just sparsely make lines, all various shapes and sizes. Next you'll see me taking the vodka, which I use Everclear. It dries so fast because it's whole grain alcohol. And I have my AmericaColor Sandwood color, which is a brown color, auburn color, and it gives it this wood grain look. I did it about maybe 3 times so it can get a little darker. And I let it sit for about maybe 2 or 3 minutes, and I would go back over it, and bam, here you have it, the look of a wood grain floor on a cake board. I loved how it came out. It gives it a rich texture. It looks vibrant, colorful, and looks realistic. Let me know what you think.